Okay, video started.
Arthur, you know during the game there's gonna
So
be
today we're doing a Nerf War to see who's the best Nerf War, and this is my brother. He was sick, and no, I'm not. Yeah, no, he's not. But he's probably the craziest one in his house. You can see that, and he was holding the sleep.
And this is my friend Logan.
Okay, now let's fight. Okay, let's fight.
Dude, I thought I locked it. We each have 3 lives. But me and Arthur are on a team. Except you guys are to your fault because you guys are cheating. You missed. Me and Arthur are on a team. Ow! Sorry, are you okay? Are you okay? I just hurt you. Did I hit you in the eye?
The most difficult part of cheerleading, but we'll definitely keep this safe.
The most difficult.
Right on the finger, bro.
It's not on the fingers, though.
Yeah. It was. Oh, you got that!
You're going down.
I shot you.
Now, we'll tell you what, not
I'm on ammo already.
come down, kicking and moving.
I'm never running
will
out of
make
ammo.
it way worse.
He has the biggest gun. No, we're not on a team. Hey, what? Did you get hit in the eye?
You were like a board like this, that makes it heavy.
But just throw aim for the face.
Why do you have like a red thing on it?
Because somebody hit him in the eye.
It was an accident. I did.
We're gonna go higher.
You okay? I'm going out here. I can't watch this.
I don't have any ammo.
Okay, I'll drive one more life.
I don't have any ammo. That's
Well,
why.
you have to find him, Arthur. You don't. They just don't put your hand.
Whoever goes
Do you have one life?
Well, that's how Arthur. That's how Gardner plays.
Wait, how many lives do I have? Let me have ammo.
So basically all equals out.
Okay,
I don't
fine.
care how high you guys go as long as you come down safely. That's all I care about.
I gave
Okay?
you a bullet.
1, 2. What's this expression? Was I'm more shocked than you. You went vertical. Wait, is that bad? No, I mean that's gonna be pretty hard to beat. I don't know if y'all are gonna go that high, to be honest. I was scared because someone had to catch him, and I'm one of those people. But you made it. You're fine.
Oh, so we're on a team.
1, 2.
You have one more life. No, you didn't get me. You didn't touch me. Yeah. YouTube chat. YouTube video.
Don't hurt yourself. Hey, if Peyton goes higher than me, then I get a consequence, and I don't even know what it is yet.
You died. You didn't even touch me.
Safe and don't go that high. I think I did pretty good. I just
Arthur.
you went
What?
so high, but I don't know who went higher. You or Ashton. I have to watch it.
Someone needs to revive me. Wait.
1, 2.